The Leapfrog Bolt is the most advanced 3D printer in the world, designed for an efficient 3D printing workflow. Once the engineer has completed the 3D design in their preferred design software, our Creator slicing software prepares the print for a wide variety of materials. The slicing software allows for a preview of the printing process, ensuring a first-time right print. The Bolt is Wi-Fi connected and can be operated through any device with a browser. The file is uploaded directly to the printer and the print can be started remotely. Sync mode allows the Bolt's dual independent heads to print two parts at the same time, doubling the printer's production. With a direct drive system, high temperature hot ends and a full enclosure, the Bolt prints a wide range of materials. With the Bolt's built-in webcam, the print can be checked over Wi-Fi, allowing you to keep your customers up to date with progress. The 7-inch touchscreen allows for intuitive printer control. The printer automatically generates a time-lapse video, making it easy to analyze the printing process afterwards. Through the streamlined workflow, both parts are finished with minimum effort, allowing you to focus on what you do best: design beautiful products. The best printing experience. Bolt. Leap forward.